Hi, y'all. Any fans of country? What about beach country? That's all we ain't gonna play like. You ain't gonna hear no Gavin DeGraw or anybody like that tonight, but y'all heard of Zac Brown Band? Well, if you know this one, you're a real fan. Come on, Seth. Okay. Help me clap. Get away. the last time, just now, the time before this, we almost stopped it like on down. Hold me down. Yeah. As opposed to the first.
when we all cut out, you mean?
Yeah, for the end.
I think we hit like the one beat and then stop.
Yeah, that's what it felt like. It felt like a hard stop. Hold me down. And then at the end. Yeah. No, yeah.
How do we know when it's coming? You gonna say like one more time or something?
I thought I did. Maybe you didn't hear me.
No, I don't know.
Alright.
I didn't know.
I will, so I'll be more.
So,
yeah.
when you say one more time, what does that mean we do next?
Stop on
Does it
down.
just mean, so when you say one more time, we do?
One more time, I'm gonna say, pick me up, hold me. One more time is both.
Okay.
Pick me up, hold me down is counts as one.
One more time, everybody.
One more time.
Pick me up. No.
Yeah. Hold me down, over. Hold me over. Like, yeah.
So do we do the pick me up part?
Yeah.
Okay.
When I say, pick me up, hold me down is like a 4 measures or whatever. So that should be like, when I say, yeah.
Or you can say something else. You say like, bring it home, and then we know that's 2 more or something like that.
Right. Could be, yeah, whatever you prefer. I felt like not this, like the time before this last time, I did say 2 and then I did say 1.
So you can say one more time,
the other
then
thing,
it's just 2
technically,
lines, right?
I think you shorted Gator one whole go around of the
I wasn't sure
of the
either.
what do you call it? The solo.
Yeah, I
There's
kind
2
of
full
felt,
rounds
I
of
kind
that.
of felt like that might have also happened.
That was otherwise I think it was pretty good.
So let's do,
I don't know what you're
let's
talking
do
about.
the ending.
He only let you go one
So let's do the
round
ending.
through for the solo, but there's actually 2.
Oh, okay.
Don't kick my ass.
Yeah.
Don't slip. It ain't personal.
It's
So let's do the ending and then the song again.
the end of song
Turn
again.
on the ending, put me down, and then we're saying like one more time, and then
Do you have like an echo or something?
Yeah.
So I feel like
A little echo.
maybe like
I have chorus on right now.
Oh, me or him?
you, yeah.
Him?
I'm wondering maybe without the chorus, I feel like it's.
Just, okay.
I added a little effect to my microphone
Good.
tonight.
Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, we gotta have something.
I'm just curious. I'm not.
So I should almost take a picture of it. So you can, I can change it to, different times.
I feel like it's shorter stabs. But I might be wrong.
Keep
I
it
don't know.
near you, right?
I
What?
can't think of
A lot
a
of
song.
songs probably near you somewhere, right?
Yeah.
I don't know, I was just getting the rhythm.